If you've ever worked with images in Excel before, you know that it can get messy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily work with images in Excel using the new image function. Let's get started. Here we have a product list with product names, prices, and inventory levels. We want to add product images to this table for reference, but if I just copy and paste a picture of a laptop from Google into Excel, I have to resize the image to fit the cell. And if I filter this data, the image stays in place while all the rows move. Now the image is covering the wrong product. Instead, we can use the new image function. The image function imports an image from a URL directly into the cell. All you have to do is find the image you want to use on Google, right-click directly on the image, and select Copy Image Link. Now that we have the direct link to the image, navigate back to Excel, select the cell where we want to insert our image, enter the image function, and paste the URL in double quotes. Then hit enter and our image automatically appears perfectly fitted inside the cell. But here's the best part. The image is now actually a part of our data table and is treated like regular data. So if we filter the data, all of the images now move with their rows. If we sort the data, all of the images will be automatically sorted as well. You can also resize the images easily just by resizing the cell, and you can even write formulas that reference these images. This function has changed the way that I work with images in Excel. If you want to learn more image function tricks, check out the video tagged here. And as always, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to keep the Excel tips coming.